Start with basic conversations. Begin with simple and common conversations that you might have in daily life. Mastering basic conversations builds a strong foundation for more complex interactions later on. Example: practice introducing yourself to others by saying, "Hi, my name is Alex. I'm from Spain. Nice to meet you." Repeat this multiple times until you feel comfortable. Practice regularly. Regular practice is essential for improving any skill, including English speaking. Set aside some time each day to practice speaking. You can talk to yourself, describe your surroundings, or even have conversations with friends or language partners. Example: practice speaking every morning for 10 minutes while you prepare breakfast. Describe what you're doing, what you plan for the day, or any recent experiences. Engage in language games. Language games make learning fun and interactive. Engaging in games like word puzzles, language quizzes, or language-based board games can improve your language skills while having a good time. Example: play word association games with friends or online language communities. Take turns saying a word, and the next person has to respond with another word related to it. Use English idioms and phrases. Learning idiomatic expressions and common phrases adds color and authenticity to your conversations. Idioms are widely used in English and help you sound more like a native speaker. Example: learn idioms like break a leg, good luck, piece of cake, something easy, and hit the books to study. Join language groups or conversation partners. Language exchange groups or conversation partners provide valuable opportunities to practice speaking English with native speakers or other learners. It helps you gain confidence, learn new expressions, and understand different accents. Example: find a language exchange group online or in your local community. Set up a virtual meeting with a partner and take turns discussing your hobbies, interests, or recent events. Listen and repeat. Pay attention to native speakers' pronunciation, intonation, and rhythm. Listen to how they speak and try to mimic their speech patterns. Example: listen to a short audio clip of a native speaker saying a sentence. Repeat the sentence multiple times, focusing on mimicking their tone and pronunciation. Speak slowly and clearly. Speaking slowly and clearly helps you enunciate words correctly, making it easier for others to understand you. Example: when practicing, deliberately speak each word slowly and emphasize each syllable. For instance, say, "Hello, how are you today?" slowly and clearly. Learn common phrases. Focus on learning essential phrases and expressions used in everyday conversations. This helps you quickly engage in various social situations. Example: learn phrases like, "What's your name?" "How are you?" "I don't understand, can you repeat that?" and "Where is the nearest coffee shop?" Practice role-playing. Role-playing different scenarios helps you practice real-life conversations and boosts your confidence in various situations. Example: role-play scenarios like ordering food at a restaurant, booking a hotel room, or making small talk at a social gathering. Join English-speaking clubs. English-speaking clubs provide a supportive environment where learners gather to practice speaking and interact with others. Example: find a local English-speaking club in your area or join an online group. Participate in discussions, debates, or prepared speeches to enhance your speaking skills. Use social media in English. Change the language settings on your social media accounts to English. Engaging with English content and participating in discussions exposes you to everyday language usage. Example: follow English-speaking influencers or accounts related to your hobbies and interests. Comment on posts and interact with other users in English. Set specific speaking goals. Set clear and achievable goals for your English speaking. Having specific targets helps you stay focused and motivated throughout your learning journey. Example: Set a goal to hold a 5-minute conversation in English with a native speaker within the next month. Storytelling and role-playing. Improve your speaking fluency and creativity by engaging in storytelling or role-playing exercises. This activity enhances your ability to express ideas and emotions in English. Example: create a short story or role-play a situation with a language partner or friend. Act out different characters and practice using appropriate vocabulary and expressions. Practice challenging topics. Engage in discussions on complex or thought-provoking topics. This practice enhances your ability to express opinions and thoughts in a more nuanced manner. Example: participate in debates or discussions on topics like climate change, social issues, or ethical dilemmas. Mirror speaking. Stand in front of a mirror and practice speaking aloud. This technique allows you to observe your facial expressions and body language while speaking. Example: practice introducing yourself, giving a short speech, or discussing a topic in front of the mirror. Practice tongue twisters. Tongue twisters are fun and challenging language exercises that help improve pronunciation, diction, and fluency. Example: try repeating tongue twisters like, "She sells seashells by the seashore," or "Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers." Engage in storytelling through visuals. Describe images or pictures in English to develop your storytelling skills. This exercise encourages you to think in English while incorporating descriptive language. Example: find a picture online or in a magazine and describe what you see, making use of adjectives, verbs, and other descriptive words. Use role models. Observe and learn from fluent English speakers whom you admire, such as actors, public speakers, or popular YouTubers. Analyze their speech patterns, intonation, and body language. Example: watch TED Talks or interviews featuring speakers known for their exceptional English speaking skills, and observe how they present themselves. Engage in debates. Engaging in debates sharpens your ability to present arguments and counter-arguments effectively, enhancing your persuasive skills. Example: choose a topic of interest and debate it with a language partner or group. One person argues in favor of the topic, while the other takes the opposing view. Learn slang and informal expressions. While maintaining formal language skills is essential, learning common slang and informal expressions allows you to sound more natural in casual conversations. Example: familiarize yourself with expressions like, "Cool, hang out, no biggie," and "go with the flow." Memorize and recite poems or monologues. Memorizing and reciting poems or monologues helps you internalize the language's rhythm and intonation, contributing to better spoken fluency. Example: choose a favorite poem or monologue from literature, practice reciting it, and perform it in front of an audience, even if it's just a small group of friends or family. Remember, becoming proficient in English speaking takes time and dedication. Embrace these tips, integrate them into your daily routine, and be patient with yourself as you progress. Celebrate your achievements, no matter how small, and stay consistent in your efforts. With continued practice and a positive attitude, your English speaking skills will continue to flourish,